What's up, kitchen gamblers? This isn't just a burger, it's a masterpiece that took Dubai by storm. Today, we are recreating the Dubai viral burger in your own kitchen, and trust me, this is going to blow your mind. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. Start with the star of this recipe, the paratha bun. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now add a tablespoon of ghee and rub it in with your hands until it feels like soft crumbs. Slowly pour in lukewarm water, a little at a time until you form a smooth soft dough. Grease a bowl with oil, place the dough inside, brush it with some oil and cover. Let it rest for at least 2 hours at room temperature. Now the smashed sauce. Start by slicing 1 large onion, not too thin, not too thick. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan, add the onions and toss them with a splash of water. Sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sugar, then cook low and slow, stirring often. Once they are ready, toss them into a blender along with 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, half a tablespoon chili sauce, half a teaspoon mustard, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of salt, plus a tablespoon of water. Blend until smooth, and there it is, your secret sauce that's smoky, creamy, and slightly sweet. Now back to our dough. It's beautifully rested and soft. Divide it into portions and shape into small balls. Brush them with a little oil and let them rest for another 20 minutes. Now on a lightly oiled surface, stretch the dough using your hands. Use a pizza cutter to slice the dough into thin strips. Then gather them up, twist and roll. Gently tap it down to shape it into your bun size. In a pan over low heat, cook the paratha buns slowly until they turn golden brown and crisp. These layers are what make this burger so unique. Now for the juicy smashed patties. Take 4 ounces of ground beef. Make sure it's 80-20 for the perfect fat balance. In a hot pan, drizzle a teaspoon of oil and place the beef ball in the center. Smash it down hard for maximum crust. Then season generously with salt and black pepper. Flip. Add a slice of American cheese, then stack another patty right on top with more cheese. Splash a little water in the pan, cover, and let the cheese melt into a gooey dream. Time to bring it all together. Add a generous layer of that creamy burger sauce on the paratha bun. Add your cheesy double smash patties, top with caramelized onions, and drizzle on even more sauce. Place the top bun on and give it a little press. And there it is, the viral Dubai burger. Completely homemade, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor. Try it once, and you'll never go back to the regular burgers again. If you loved this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what I should recreate next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.